Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install the Forever Sharp B02 insulation adapter for most 1970 to 1977 Ford models. Now included in this kit, you will receive the 3-bolt adapter, a stainless steel column cover, the 1.5-inch spacer, 3 hex bolts, and a metal sleeve like this. Now after removal of your original wheel and its associated hardware, you want to slide this metal sleeve down over the spline shaft. Now keep in mind that if this metal sleeve does not fit snugly, do not use it. Now you want to apply some grease onto the copper contact to avoid wear, and make sure this tab matches up with the tab right here on your adapter. Slide that over, make sure it stays top right here. Now you want to position the polished column cover with the 2 horn contact wires through the center oval hole like that. Make sure it's lined up with the holes on your adapter. Now you want to grab your 1.5-inch spacer and do the same thing. Make sure the horn contact wires run through the center oval hole like that. Now you want to grab your hex bolts and just tighten them down. Okay. Get your drill. Make sure you check the torque requirements on this. Okay, after the hex bolts are installed and secured tight, you want to grab your shaft nut. Install that. Make sure you double check the torque requirements on that as well. Now, if there's a gap between your column cover and the column itself, you would need to loosen the bolts on the bottom of your dash that's holding the column in place. You would want to move the column housing up or down as needed, leaving about a 1/8 of an inch gap, and then retighten the bolts. Now, after you have everything secured and tight, you want to grab the steering wheel. Run the horn wires through the center like that. Line that up with the 5 holes on your spacer. And then you want to grab your horn button and then have the contact wires into the terminals on the back of the horn button. Like that. And line that up with your steering wheel. And grab the screws that came with your horn. And then just from there, you just want to tighten everything down. Okay, and once everything's installed and tight, you have finally finished installing your Forever Sharp steering wheel.